body's organ and tissues are made up of many cells, and there is a component that can be found in almost all of our cells. Its functions are similar to a vitamin, but it is not a vitamin. It is responsible for converting nutrients into energy. It is your cell's source of energy. Now, do you know what is that? It is coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. Now, our body's organs and tissues all have time to rest, but there is an organ that does not have time to rest, and it is our heart. And when your heart rests, it means that you... Now, the organs that works the most requires these coenzyme the most, which is why our heart has the highest concentration as well as requires coenzyme Q10 the most. Today, I'm going to share with all of you the functions of coenzyme Q10. Why do we need it and why is it beneficial to our body? Hi, my name is Zi and I am a nutritionist. Welcome to my health channel. The product that I want to introduce to all of you today is QLife. It is your mother cell's fountain of life. Now, there are 6 ingredients in QLife. However, the main ingredient is coenzyme Q10. The other ingredients are its unique formulation that is able to help your body to better use and absorb this coenzyme Q10. Now, actually, coenzyme Q10, our body can naturally produce it, but as you age, its production actually decreases. Now, when your body's level of coenzyme Q10 decreases, it can affect certain organs in your body. Now, as I said, the organs that works the most requires it the most. Now, the first organ is our heart. Now, if your heart is inherently weak, or as you age, you realize that your heart is getting weaker and weaker, now QLife is able to strengthen your heart as well as enhance your blood vessels elasticity. Now, if you have arrhythmia problems, meaning an irregular heartbeat, now QLife is also able to help you with that. Now, the next one is our brain. It also requires coenzyme Q10 the most. Now, QLife is able to delay degenerative diseases as well as prevent brain neurodegeneration. It is also able to prevent cerebral atrophy as well as genetic-related brain disorders, which is why if your family history has this type of hereditary disease, then you should start taking care of your brain at an earlier age. QLife is also not only beneficial for older people. Now, for younger people, QLife is able to improve our brain function, our cognitive function, as well as our concentration. Hence, if you have a child that is currently studying or they are facing certain exams and you wish that they can study well, is able to study well, then you can give QLife for them to boost their studies. We also have many middle-aged customers that are facing erectile dysfunction problems due to high blood sugar, high blood pressure, as well as high blood cholesterol. Now, QLife is able to help improve their masculinity, helping them last longer, as well as preventing premature ejaculation. In addition, our muscle mass also decreases approximately 3 to 8% every decade after the age of 30. Now, this is a natural part of the aging process. However, if you are experiencing muscle loss as well as muscle atrophy at a very young age, then it might mean that your body lacks this coenzyme. Now, QLife is able to help you preserve your muscle mass as well as strengthen your muscle tissue. It is also beneficial for people who have muscle atrophy related diseases. Now, lastly, QLife is able to strengthen your immune system. Now, if you are undergoing through any therapy, be it chemotherapy, radiotherapy, or electrotherapy, now these therapies can actually weaken your immune system and impair your body's ability to heal and protect itself, which is why it is crucial that you support your immune system during this time. By doing this, it can help you heal and recover faster, making you feel stronger as well as better tolerate cancer treatments as well as cancer treatment related side effects such as bacterial infections, organ failure, and blood vessel damage. Now, as we grow older, our hematopoietic function also will decline, causing your body's red blood cells, white blood cells, as well as platelet to decrease. When this decreases, it can cause you to feel tired easily, have a weakened immune system, or bleeding inexplicably. Now, QLife has this special function due to its bioenergy. It is able to strengthen and maintain your bone marrow's hematopoietic function. After sharing with you all of these functions of QLife, here I am going to share with you a few case studies of our customers that uses QLife. In addition to the functions that I have mentioned above, QLife is also able to regulate various tumor markers in our body. For example, CA19.9. Now, CA19.9 is a tumor marker for pancreatic cancer. It helps us monitor the development of this disease. Now, Miss Un here, her CA19.9 was high. It was 95.8. Now, after using QLife, it is able to drop to 33.7. Now, Miss Lu here is even worse. Her CA19.9 was as high as 984.6. Now, at that time, the doctors also couldn't find a reasoning behind it. However, after using QLife for 2 months, it is able to drop to 194.7. Mr. Liu here, he has his prostate-specific antigen PSA index. Now, PSA index is a screening test for prostate cancer, which is common in older men. Now, his PSA index was 5.09, but after using QLife, it is able to drop to 3.99. Furthermore, cancer treatments also have side effects like I've mentioned just now, bacterial infection, organ failure, as well as blood vessel damage. Now, here I am using blood cancer as an example. Mr. Low here, at a very young age, 17 years old, he has developed a disease that only has approximately 5% of survival rate, and that is acute myeloid leukemia, AML. It is a type of blood and bone marrow cancer. During his cancer treatment, the doctor also told him that even if he survived through this disease, he might not be able to become a father in the future. But during his treatment, he obtained a junk therapy from us. Not only did he survive through AML, 10 years later, he is also the father of a child. Same goes to Lu and Ling here. They also had blood cancer at a very young age. With the aid of VigorAce, they are able to survive through blood cancer and is able to return to school and live a normal life. Furthermore, cancer treatments can also cause one to have a decrease in appetite, hair loss, as well as feeling tired very easily. However, we can actually prevent all of these from happening. Here, I'm using breast cancer as an example. This woman here, during her cancer treatment, she's able to also go to work like a normal person. She survived through her cancer treatment and is also able to live healthily for more than 10 years. She was 68 years old, which is quite old when she developed breast cancer. Now, she is from Miri, and during her cancer treatment, she's able to take the airplane alone to Kuching to get her cancer treatment, and she is also able to eat, drink, and sleep well. She experienced no side effects at all. Now, for nasopharyngeal carcinoma, nasopharyngeal cancer, the treatments for nasopharyngeal cancer includes chemotherapy as well as radiotherapy. Now, all this therapy can actually cause you to have a difficulty in swallowing as well as decreased appetite. Now, Lin here, he is from Klang. He has done many times of chemotherapy as well as radiotherapy. However, despite this, with the aid of VigorAce, his swallowing ability was not affected. He did not experience any side effects at all. Same goes to Madam Yap here. She has successfully cured her nasopharyngeal cancer and is able to work and live a normal life. As you can see, QLife is beneficial for a lot of different cancer treatments. For all these kind of special cases, we usually recommend 4 to 6 capsules a day. If you are a normal person and you want to consume QLife as a normal maintenance, it can help you prevent cell aging, maintain your organ function, as well as making you look younger. For this kind of normal maintenance, we usually recommend 1 to 2 capsules a day. Now, Now, why choose VigorAce's QLife? Now, QLife contains 100% active ingredients without any additives. Furthermore, it contains naturally fermented high-quality coenzyme Q10 that is produced originally in Japan. Now, I am sure all of you have come across many different types of coenzyme Q10 products in the market. What are the difference between QLife and those in the market? Actually, there is two types of coenzyme Q10. Naturally produced one as well as an artificially synthesized one. Now, the bioavailability of naturally produced one is higher than an artificially synthesized one. On top of that, an artificially synthesized one also has side effects, which is why you can see a drastic price difference between the two. Now, QLife uses Japan-patented all-natural coenzyme Q10 that can effectively provide your cells energy as well as efficacy in utilization of oxygen. Furthermore, VigorAce is the first company to combine nutrition therapy as well as bioenergy therapy in their product. Now, what is bioenergy therapy? In layman terms, you can understand it as an edible acupuncture. Now, when we are formulating this product, its raw materials is able to resonate with designated parts in our body, creating a target resonance effect. By doing this, it can revitalize the mother cells in our targeted tissues and thereby enhancing tissue regeneration, repair as well as self-healing ability. Now, QLife is able to resonate with our bone marrow, brain, liver, kidney, heart as well as our spleen. Furthermore, the products of our company is manufactured by a California State FDA-approved GMP licensed manufacturer with approximately 40 to 50 years of experience. They also have clinical application support. The company also took the initiative to send their products to a local third-party independent Ministry of Health approved laboratory for quality inspection. Now, if you have certain special diseases that you do not know how to act on, or you have tried various methods and your problems are still unresolved, why don't you give yourself a chance and let us help you, as we provide free personalized health consultation tailored to your personal needs. So call out this number or WhatsApp us on this number, or you can private message us on our Facebook page and let our qualified nutritionists help you. VigorAce, your health, our mission.